Hi, in this video I want to talk to you a little bit about the LiveTrack feature of RaceAnalyse. You've had your device charged, you turned it on, you hit the track, now you're trying to get faster. You don't have to wait for any download cables, you don't have to wait for your data on a laptop, simply open any browser, click on the LiveTrack area here, and this is what you're going to see. In this instance, I'm using a track today in Rimini, Italy, and you can see there is quite a lot of activity going on here. On the left here, you have multiple users on the track. So we have 6 guys using RaceAnalyse today in Italy. 2 of them have registered. We can talk more about that, but that's all up here. And let's just pick this guy at the top. We're going to call him Blue. So his best time today was 1.42. His last lap time was 1.42.33. And these are 19 laps, all of which you can see here, and that's the fastest lap is highlighted there. Now, we want to get a little bit faster, so we could spend some time comparing against ourselves, but really, that's only going to make you faster compared to yourself. You want to track what lines are working better, so you need to find someone who's a little quicker. So this guy is a pro on an R1M. We're going to select this lap time as our best, and then as a reference lap to compare, being crucial, we're going to pick this guy. Then we're going to hit Analyze up here, and you'll see these 2 laps populated on our map here. Now there's a lot of things you can look at here. You can look at speed heat map, driving lines, acceleration, 3-color heat map. I like to look at speed, driving lines, and high-low markers just as the beginning, just for a quick look. And then you're going to work out where you're losing time. And simple layman's terms, anytime there's a dip here, there's time to be found. Or anytime there's a gap here on this graph between the blue and the yellow, remembering the yellow one is quicker, you can find some time. You can also just scroll in here and have a look to see what's actually happening on the track. And here I think is a good example. Coming into the track here, we've already got, a 6 kilometer per hour difference. Not so much of a difference in the middle of the corner, but by the time you exit the corner here, there's already a 6 kilometer per hour difference. And you can see, just a quick look, simplified version, perhaps chap with blue is a little slower, needs to use a little bit more of the track and keep it straight. And you can see the same difference here again. That's a very simplified look at what's available here. You can also compare with anybody else that's on the track, anybody you feel like selecting with from here. And then next video, we're going to talk about how you find people and how you connect with the RaceAnalyse community feature. Thank you very much.